Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today I'm going to show you how I decorated my Christmas tree for 2018. All right, so this year for 2018, I went very different. It's like a collective kind of vintagey Christmas tree. Like, you see how I have the beads, the way they decorated years ago, and then I have the little candle lights, I guess, on the Christmas tree. So I went with something like that. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. I'm gonna show you the ornaments and yeah, and maybe inspire you to do a Christmas tree like this. So anyway, I just wanna show you guys how I decorated for 2018. And you can see my 2017 and you can see my 2016. I'll probably put it down below or I'll have it at the end. Let's get on to me showing you, I guess, how I decorated this Christmas tree and give you a closer look. All right. Okay, so right here, I fluffed the tree. The tree is nice and fluffy. I put the star. I like that gold star. It's very vintagey. Everyone had a gold star on top of their tree years ago, many, many years ago. And then I added the beads. And then I added those candles all over the tree, which is very nostalgic and very vintagey. They used to put those a long time ago on their tree. And of course, candy canes. So candy canes, of course, are like, you know, very vintagey and very old-fashioned. That's what they used to put on the trees years ago. They used to put the candles, candy canes, and wooden beads. All right, so anyway, I have that on the tree. That's how I decorated first. And now I'm gonna start decorating with all my wooden ornaments. I picked up some new ones this year, like this one. This red one, it's a button, it's wood. I just love it. I picked that up from Hobby Lobby. So let me start decorating, guys, and then I will show you in detail how my Christmas tree looks and show you each ornament. watching, and if you liked what I did this year, give this video a thumbs up, share my video, tell a friend, and leave a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite ornament, and let me know if you liked my tree last year or this year better. Go look at my other videos, and yeah, don't forget, leave a comment down below, and I wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Hopefully I have a video out for you guys before the new year. If not, I will see you in 2019. And I wish you guys a very, very Merry Christmas, and see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!